So I want to present to you a model of lesson development. So here it is. You can see that we start with engagement and then build up rigor, and then you can see that top step of alignment. We see a lot of teachers using this model of lesson development. And we see a lot of teachers who are very comfortable creating engaging lessons. They're not afraid of technology and of doing things and taking chances to have an engaging experience for their students. We also see a lot of teachers who are able to add rigor to that and create games and challenges that really make for a rigorous and engaging classroom. We see these teachers tweeted about and retweeted and liked all throughout the year. But oftentimes when we go into these classrooms and we ask these teachers about alignment, we kind of get a question mark. What do you mean I'm not aligned? The lesson was about body systems and my standards about body systems. Or I'm teaching about writing and the students are writing. But after the students test and the scores come out, we often see these teachers and sometimes their administrators confused about why the scores were so much lower than everyone thought they would be. Now this creates a very, very serious problem sometimes. Because if I've been told as a teacher that everything I'm doing is great, I've been tweeted about and retweeted and liked, but my students still aren't successful, then that can create a culture of student blaming, a culture of those kids. I mean, if I've been doing a great job all year long and they aren't successful, then it must be that those kids just can't be successful. That is a huge problem, and this is the wrong model for lesson development. This is what the model of lesson development should look like. Notice that alignment is the foundation of the instruction, and then we build on rigor, and then at the top we package our lessons with engagement. This is the model of lesson development that really supports students in the best way possible. See, we have teachers who maybe have a lot of different struggles, but if they can start with alignment, then their students still have a chance at success. Oftentimes we see teachers who are far more successful with their students than we expected. That's because everything they said in the class is aligned to what the students need. We also have teachers who really understand alignment and also add a lot of rigor to their class. Sometimes we call these our old school teachers. They're not into all that edutainment stuff that we want them to do, but their students are very, very successful, and sometimes we just leave them alone because of it. Now, I'm not saying these teachers don't have room to grow, but we often see these teachers being very successful because they're aligned and they're rigorous. And then we have those teachers who are aligned and they are rigorous and they are doing all of the engaging things that we really want for our students. They are racing to the top, and they don't need to cheer for themselves because everyone else is cheering for them. These are our master teachers. And if we build our lessons this way, starting with alignment and building up to engagement, then we will create a culture of student and teacher empowerment, where all of our students have a chance to be successful because we're starting with alignment, and our teachers are able to see a clear staircase, a step-by-step process to get to the top and become master teachers. By using this model of lesson development, where we make alignment our focus instead of engagement, we can really make sure that all of our students have a real chance at being successful.